shape in the middle.
On the absolute value, sometimes it's in the middle, sometimes it's out that way. You just have to read this in.
I think it's enough.
Okay, so for Thursday, we're talking about algebraic relationships, what goes with what. And there are many ways that we can represent relationships using ordered pairs, which we call points, putting them in a table where all the x's will always be on the left, the y's on the right. If it's a table that runs horizontally, the x's will be on top, the y's will be on bottom. Using a graph or using a mapping. And in a mapping, the proper way to do it, the domain, which is your x's, will go from least to greatest, and they will be on the left, just like a table. The range should also go from least to greatest, and they will be on the right. In this section, the book doesn't put these in order from least to greatest. They just put them in order how they're listed in the original ordered pairs. So here we go. The work is on page 43, 9 through 14. And the instructions say, express each relation as a table, a graph, and a mapping. Then determine the domain and range. So I'll work number 9 with you. The rest will be done just like number 9. So we have a set of points that I'm going to copy down here on my paper. 0, 0, negative 3, 2, 6, 4, negative 1, 1. First, I need to express this relation as a table. What that means is I'm going to take the first number out of every ordered pair, because it's the x's. They're going to go on the left. So 0, negative 3, 6, negative 1. The y is the second number in each ordered pair. 0, 2, 4, and 1. So here's our table. Since this is very much like a mapping, I'm going to go ahead and do my mapping. Mapping is generally just two ovals. The domain goes on the left, the range goes on the right, and if you have a table, you just copy it straight from the table. Or if you have a set of points, you copy it from the set of points. 0, negative 3, 6, negative 1, 0, 2, 4, 1. And then you draw a line to the items that go together, an arrow ready. From this x value, you get that y value. From this x value, you get this y value, so on and so forth. That's a mapping. So far we've done a table, we've done a mapping, now we need to do a graph. When I look at this, for my x's, the biggest number I have is a 6. The smallest number I have is negative 3. So on my x's, I just need to make sure that I've got those numbers incorporated on the x-axis. So 6, negative 3 is the smallest. I've got 0, and I've got negative 1. For my y's, the largest y value is 4, so I need to make sure that this goes up at least 4, but I think I'm going to do one more. Here's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I plot these points. 0, 0, negative 3, positive 2, 6, 4, negative 1, 1. So the last part of this says, determine the domain and range. If you have a table, then here's the domain and here's the range. Domain is all possible values for x. Range is all possible values for y. For this problem, the domain is 0, negative 3, 6, negative 1. The range, I just copy the y's. 0, 2, 4, 1. Okay, so this is number 9 in the book. This is the whole work for number 9. What I need you to do is I need you to do 9 through 14.